everybody, it's your girl Allie, and today we are about to go through a quick hand washing technique with the current state of our world with the coronavirus and just every other kind of germ and disease that's out there. We really want to pay close attention to keeping our hands clean and protecting ourselves from potential germs that we can gain and contract. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to go through a quick hand washing technique. So we're going to get some of this soap, really inexpensive Equate soap that you can get from Walmart, and you go under and you just kind of rub your hands together like this, and you kind of go over on the back side of your hand. Don't forget to get your thumbs. I say get all the fingers. Make sure that you don't leave any of that out, so you'll just be surprised just how dirty your hands might be, especially if you've been out in the yard or shopping somewhere. Then by golly, you see I'm even got water shooting all over, but the goal is to get your hands clean. And I'm telling you, I'm one of these kind of people. Once I've done it one time, I'm going to do it again, just to make sure, because you can never get your hands too clean. The first instinct is to put your hand near your face, which you absolutely do not want to do. So with that being said, this is a quick hand washing tutorial from right here on the channel with your girl Allie on Allie's View. And you get you a paper towel, and of course you can dry your hands. Make sure everything is nice and dry, and then turn your water off, and there you have it. Your hands are nice and clean. Nice and clean. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, please do so.